So my name is Joey. I work at a company called Auditus. We sell hearing aids. We have a direct-to-consumer line where folks will, maybe fill out a questionnaire online or take an online hearing test, and we'll get in touch with them and learn about their hearing loss. And we will program a hearing aid specific to their hearing loss and ship it to their door. But we also have channels with business partners such as hospitals and prisons. And that's how we found B2B Wave as a means of selling hearing aids in bulk to those institutions. And I would give B2B Wave a 5-star rating. Prior to B2B Wave, the system we had for selling to our B2B partners was a bit complicated and error-prone. It involved like exchanging spreadsheets over email that would kind of, lay out which products and quantities and varieties of things we wanted, things our partners wanted. And they would sort of, we'd fulfill the orders based on the spreadsheets, and things would get passed back and forth like that. So there really wasn't, I would say we used, Excel, and as far as the invoicing goes, I'm actually not sure what software we were using. But yeah, we didn't really have, there were no ordering platforms for our partners. It was really just done over email with spreadsheets, and we could fulfill the orders that way. As I was researching options for B2B ordering platforms, we realized that we had a lot of features we needed that many of these platforms didn't offer. There's lots of them. One is basically what's nice about B2B Wave is people can log in and place orders for themselves, or you can actually log in and place orders on their behalf. So that's a feature it has that was really nice for us. Another thing is you can offer really custom solutions to different partners that you work with. So, we want to show partner A this information when they check out, but we want to show partner B other information. Or, we require partner A to fill out this and partner B to fill out that, things like that. They were also able to help us out a ton with customizing how the page looked for our partners. There's definitely other things, custom pricing. But what's special about our case is the people who are placing the orders actually aren't the ones who receive the product. So in the case of like a hospital, like nurses, we place the orders, but they don't really need to know the cost of the products. And so tech support was super helpful with allowing us to like store that information in the back end, the prices, but not make it visible to the customers. So I'd say like the customization aspect of B2B Wave was super helpful for us, and in combination with the tech support was what really allowed us to, was why we settled on it for us. It was very easy. I think the platform is very straightforward in terms of the tabs and how it's organized. The API also, to get a little technical, is really, really well made, and there's tremendous support for it. And they were able to, we'd say, can you send this information over? It's not standard information in the API. They would go ahead, add it. And so, they were super easy to work with and very accommodating. And we had a really great experience getting on board and getting set up. And we had people placing orders, within a few days. And I think we've now had maybe around 3,000 orders placed in the platform with like little to no hiccups. And we had a great experience with it. I would highly recommend the product, especially if there's a level of customization you need for different people who are ordering or not. I mean, it's really very reasonably priced compared to everything else that I looked at. For what it offers. They can also like change the domain to whatever you want, so it can appear as if it's your own ordering platform, and they put a logo on it. So I would recommend it to anyone who wants to set up ordering platform with the business partners.